I'm here today to tell you how to tap a keg. The first way you can tap a keg, and my least favorite by far, is the party pump. I never recommend them, although we do rent them out here at Sugar Creek, because they pump air into the keg. Air is the enemy of beer. It's the mortal enemy. It makes the beer spoil. It brings in all the bacteria and anything that's floating around in the air that will quickly make the beer go sour. So in the case that you use one of these party pumps, you want to make sure that you drink the beer within 24 hours preferably, and you want to keep it cold as possible the whole entire time. So this party pump uses what's called a Sankey D type connection. The Sankey D connection has a little probe on the bottom of it, and the lever here on the pump, when you depress it in like that, it depresses this probe, and that probe hits a ball on the keg and release the beer. This keg in particular is just filled with CO2 now. It's cleaned and ready to be filled. So I'll demonstrate how we do that. And you basically just have, with the handle up, you find the notch on the keg and twist until it locks, and then depress the handle down and it clicks in. You're going to need to pump this up a few times. Where can you get one of these? So pretty much any keg beer supplier should have one of these available for rent or for purchase. If you do buy one and you plan on using these frequently, make sure that you clean it at least every 2 weeks. And I'll talk about how the proper way of cleaning this in another video. Hi, I'm Joe Vogelbacher from Sugar Creek Brewery in Charlotte, North Carolina, and the 19th Master Cicerone in the world. Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos, and if you have future ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Cheers.